Hi crafty friends! Today we're making our It's Fall Y'all Wall Strand DIY kit, a cozy way to bring autumn vibes into your home. This kit comes with everything you need to create a beautiful autumn wall hanging. 6 wooden rounds, laser cut letters, Mod Podge, jute string, paintbrushes, paints, and beads. You can also add on paint droppers for a unique look. Start by painting your cutouts in your favorite fall colors. Use the included paintbrushes to go bold, rustic, or add your own creative touch. Once your laser cuts are dry, take each wooden backing and brush a layer of Mod Podge over the top, and press each cutout to its wooden backing. Then brush an additional layer of Mod Podge over the top to seal your pieces. Now that the wood rounds are dry, let's make a tassel. Take your 4mm 12-inch jute ropes and set them neatly together laid flat. Then take one of your 3mm strings and lay it in the center horizontally. This will be to loop your tassel through the bottom wood round. Fold your 4mm rope vertically around a thin piece of cardboard, and grab your second 3mm string and wrap around your tassel 4 to 5 times. Tie off your rope piece, then slide it off your cardboard and trim the ends. You've just made your own decorative tassel. Go ahead and set that to the side. We'll be using that later. Create a knot with your 4mm jute rope through the top hole of your first wooden round. You'll want to tie your string about 4 inches from the bottom. To do that, take both ends of your rope. Then loop around each other, creating a circle. Take both ends and loop through the circle. Give it a gentle pull to tighten your knot together. Now it's time to build your strand. Loop the 3mm jute rope through the top of the next wood round. Then slide a bead through both ends. Bring one string back through the bottom hole of the first wooden round and tie it off. Continue this process, stacking your rounds and beads to build your wall strand until you've reached the bottom hole. When you reach your last wood round, grab your tassel and thread 2 beads through both ends of the rope. Pull one string through the bottom hole of your final wood round and tie off. Trim any excess rope pieces. And you're done! Your handmade It's Fall Y'all Wall Strand is ready to decorate your space for the season. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you loved this DIY kit, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!